GeForce.
Hello guys, it's KRISHGAMEHACKER. Welcome back to another tutorial. And yeah, today we're going to be making this render right here in Blender. So you can use this as a wallpaper for your desktop. It looks nice. I had this up in lock screen and all. It has a really nice glow to it. It's also I'm going to call this as halo rings. So yeah, you can go ahead and check out my profile for many other designs. I'll be making tutorials for them soon. So yeah, let's go ahead into the tutorial. So to have this get that hello look which we got in our video in the image is you go here, get some, yeah, first you have to get an emission thing. Just go to that, just 1 second, yeah. Go here, get an emission. There you got this emission, but go ahead and add a color ramp to it. And do that here, put a render view. You see nothing because we didn't assign this. Remove that one, yeah. That thing, just ignore that one. Just doing some testing. So you got this white glow, but you wanted the purplish glow. So all you have to do is, this is your color mixer, okay? You go ahead, let's do that. Let's add a purplish glow there and add some pinkish to it. And so what this does is like adds combo. So this gives you that hello look we wanted. And yeah, pretty much that's it. And this is how you do this thing. And I just added, to get that middle line over here, I just added a normal cube. I just added a cube over here. I put in edit mode GX, just elongate that, okay, and reset size, okay, GX, increase that. Let's go there for some better reason. GX, go back little. Let's just GX, let's go there. Go. Yep, this will be enough. See, this is a little bit taller. We'll just click G and Z to go down in my axis. Your axis may vary. If you did exactly like me in my same direction, then yeah, it's the same thing. So we go here, we add an emission texture to it. We'll go here, principal, and make it emission, and we'll give it a strength of 5, just so it should not be dominant. Yeah, see, this thing is so bright. We'll have it 1.5. No, that's low. 2. And we'll increase this guy's emission. 1 second. 749. This looks bright. Let's have it sized down. Yeah, and we have our image just like this. So you can go ahead, add more stuff to it, and when you make this thing, go ahead and tag me on Instagram, watch your post, and give you my opinion on it. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later in the next video. Peace.